Hello there, guys. The last time we did embryology, we talked about the urinary system. Today, we're talking about something that develops alongside it, which is the reproductive system. Now, like the urinary system, it develops from the intermediate mesoderm, which then form the urogenital ridge. This urogenital ridge forms your gonads, the daughter system, and primordial germ cells. Though these primordial germ cells come from the yolk sac. Primordial germ cells infiltrates the urogenital ridge through this Vitelline duct and goes to the urogenital ridge, from the yolk sac. Now, this cloaca also forms something very, very important. The cloaca will form the inner canal and the urogenital sinus, which will give you parts of the external genitalia. Let's see how this thing works. During development, you have this structure. You have your gonads here because we don't know if they're going to be testes or ovaries yet. Then you have this, which is your paramesonephric ducts or Mullerian ducts, these two black structures here. Then this blue one here, it's called the mesonephric duct or Wolffian duct. And this red structure is your cupernaculum. And this one down here is your urogenital sinus. Now, how does this thing develop into the male or female reproductive system? Well, it's all thanks to a gene here called the SRY gene. This SRY gene is expressed in the Y chromosome. So let's take a look at how it works. So if you have a gonad and you have an XY chromosome, it will start changing in the medulla. Then, because it has a Y chromosome, it has this SRY gene activated. This SRY gene will produce TDF. TDF is testis determining factor. Since you have a testis determining factor, the gonad will turn into a testis. This testis will produce testosterone, which we call development of the male reproductive system. And also, the stem cells produce MIF, which is Mullerian inhibiting factor. So what is this MIF doing? Now, from the name, Mullerian inhibiting factor, it is inhibiting the development of this Mullerian duct. So this duct will be inhibited from growing. But the testosterone will stimulate this mesonephric duct or Wolffian duct to form the male ductal system. Now, for the females, you have an XX gene. So there's no Y chromosome, meaning there's no SRY gene to reproduce. So development will start from the cortex or the gonads. So no TDF, meaning ovaries. Ovaries gives you oocytes and follicular cells. Follicular cells produce estrogen, which produce or stimulate the growth of the female genitalia. And also development of the paramesonephric ducts or Mullerian ducts. Now, at the end of the day, for the males, you have testis, mesonephric ducts or Wolffian ducts, and for the female, you have ovaries and paramesonephric ducts.